I'm going to do a quick Little Golden Book spine removal. Just need a heat tool and preferably something to pry with. I already started this side. And there you go. It's removed in one piece, so you can reuse it on your spine when you make your junk journal. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to remove the staples and separate the covers. So just get something to pry with. It could be a staple remover, but these little tools work well. And just pry up your staple ends. Be careful. Some of the older staples might be rusted. You definitely don't want to poke yourself. And just working that in there very gently. I'm going to lift this piece off. Okay. And do the same thing here. We're going to lift out the pages. Just try not to puncture any of your pages in the back. This one is I think it's a one signature. They're usually two, but this one's small, so it's a one signature. And then finish with the side. Sometimes you can push them. Just don't poke yourself. We'll see if it'll push. Yeah, not really. It's too tight. So I'm gonna try to get under there. It's got a lot of glue on it, so see if I can get that glue worked loose. There we go. Being careful where I put my fingers. Just trying to get that glue loose, and then I can pry under with something. You may not want to use your bone folder tool. I have pliers somewhere. Reach them. Okay. There you go. All right. Very little damage done to the actual book. All right. Thanks for watching.